I wouldn't say that I have the nicest of smiles, but then I think it's just something I thought I was going to have to live with. I always remember when I was a teenager, I had to have 6 teeth taken out at once, which at that age is a huge confidence knock. You know, you smile without even thinking about it whenever you meet new people, and to not feel confident in the way that your smile looks is something that's really heartbreaking. After that, I was given a denture to put into the top of my mouth. It has 3 teeth on it, but I didn't have anything from the bottom set, and I've still got some gaps here. I found instasmile through Instagram actually. I think I must have liked something, or it came up anyway, and I started to look into it more and more. I started to hear about people's stories and see the befores and afters and the difference it made with a non-surgical clip-in veneer. And it's so exciting when you get it and you're ready to put it in and see what the outcome's going to be. This is my smile with nothing in. And just like that, my smile is completely different. After like 5-10 minutes, they feel really normal. You get a little bit of a lisp at the beginning, but that disappears once your mouth is used to them. But I mean, you can't deny the difference it makes. It's huge.